Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up with making of this beautiful Aline frock. It's really so simple and easy to do. And Aline frock is highlighted with printed net fabric. This will really gives the pretty look to your little princess. So let's quickly start with this project. I'll be using this cotton plain fabric which is of 1.5 meters and 1/2 meter floral printed net. I'm going to prepare this for the age of 5. But following the instructions you can create for any age groups. Firstly I'll start with the bottom drafting and cutting, for which I'll be taking 4 layers with the length of 17.5 inches. And the cotton fabric I have given 2 folds and 4 layers, and width wise it's of 14 inches. Now I will mark 4th part of the waist length here, which is 7 inches. 6 inches is the waist length and 1 inch seam allowance. Length of the bottom panel is of 17.5 inches, and the bottom flare would be of double the waist length, which I took 6 inches here. So bottom I am taking 12 inches. This is on 4 folds. So 12 into 4 is 48 inches will be the full flare of the frock. And on this side I'd be marking 1 or 1.5 inches up and connect with the curved line like this. Trim off all the extras, also on the marked lines on the hemline. I will separate the panels, giving the slit in the center. So this is how we have to cut an Aline frock bottom panel. I think you can clearly see it right now. Waist length is of 6 inches and the seam allowance 1 inch. Width wise here I took 12 inches, and as I said it's on 4 folds. Trimming of this extras. I think this is clear to you now. I have marked the measurements for the age of 5, and this net strip I have trimmed 3 inches and widthwise same as the frock. Now let's see the bodice cutting, for which firstly I'll mark for the front panel, and this is on the fold with the length of 10 inches and the width of 8 inches. Marking the margin line here with the neck width of 2 inches on the fold, and the shoulder length I would be marking 2/4 inches. Marking 1/4 inch shoulder slope here, connecting that to the neck width. The neck deep would be of 3 inches with the U-shaped neckline. And the armhole length is of 4 inches. Marking the midpoint of the armhole, which is 2 inches, and the chest length is on 6 inches. This is a 4th part of the body measurements. 6 into 4 is 24 inches is the chest length, so I'd be taking 6 inches. And the waist length will be also the same, so marking on 6 inches with 1 inch seam allowance, connecting with the parallel lines like this. There won't be any difference in the chest length and the waist length for the ages below 10. Marking the armhole curve like this. Now I'll trim off all the extras. Using this front panel as the reference, now I'll show you how to mark for the back panel. I'm taking two separate pieces and the length is also the same, but the width wise it's of 1 inch more because for the hook and eye strap preparation. So marking the seam allowance of hook and eye strap. Now on this marked line I lay this front panel and give the markings of the body measurements. This would be the back two panels and this is the front panel. Now I'll show you how to cut for the yoke pattern. Just below the neckline I'm giving the straight line marking and I'll cut on that, and this is how the shape would look. I'll lay this on the knit fabric and cut accordingly. The bottom with 1 inch extra I'm cutting, that's for the seam allowance. This would be the neckline shape, trimming off the neckline and also this extra. This would be the yoke panel. I'll lay this front bodice on this and we have to join it like this. The complete maker of this beautiful yoke pattern Aline frock with the stitching part will be concluded next. Stay tuned to watch more. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Appreciated your like and comment. Also do hit the bell icon to receive the future notifications whenever I upload. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you all with another interesting video. See you all. Bye for now.